Has anyone ever told you that you smell bad, that you stink? If that's correct, then I feel so sorry for you, because that's extremely rude.
Yikes.
But I also have a good news, and it's I have a very good tips for you on how you can smell better and how you can prolong that smell throughout the day, so you stay fresh, you smell clean, you smell good literally the whole day. First thing is obviously showering, and I know this is like super obvious, but there are few tips regarding showering. It's like normal to shower once a day, but if you feel like you're sweating too much, then it's okay to shower twice a day as long as you need that to feel fresh and to feel clean. For example, I like to shower twice a day during summer, and especially if I am more active that day, then I will definitely start my day with showering. I will use something more gentle on my skin because my skin is more like on the dry side, so I need to watch out I don't put anything too harsh on my body, because that will make my skin itch. And I recommend to you as well, if you have more sensitive dry skin, for example, that could be this cleansing oil bath. I like this so much. I don't know how many bottles I have used from this product, but it's so good. It's anti-irritation and anti-scratching, which I just mentioned. Don't be afraid to shower multiple times a day if you really feel like you need that. For me, it's like 2 to 3 times maximum, and 3 times would be if I sunbathe, go to the pool, then I need to wash off all the sun products that I have put on my body, then maybe go to the gym, I need to shower after that, and then finish everything with my usual night routine, in which I always take a shower, take off my makeup, because I like to go to sleep freshly showered. But thank God there are some more gentle products that you can use, so you don't irritate your skin if you shower that many times. Another tip when it comes to showering is the products that you use. If you use something that will not help you get rid of that smell of sweat, then you're not using the right products for yourself. After showering, you're not supposed to smell bad. If you do, definitely change your products, and there are so many actually on the market that you can choose. I will show you one example that I have. I usually bring this one with me whenever I'm traveling because I love these small packages. This is the SVR brand, and it's 24-hour deodorant cleansing gel. It looks like this. And at home I have so many different kind of products. I have soaps, mousse, gels, just love to have variety of products. So you should make sure that something that you're using is working for you, that it's not just a cheap piece of soap that doesn't do anything, like you shower and then you don't smell clean. That's not good. I recommend you choosing the right product for you, and I will show you products that I use and they really work for me, and I will always come back to them. So this is my list. Next tip, which is most important ever, and it is wearing clean underwear. After you take a shower, you should change your underwear like every day, and especially after you shower. It's like the biggest sin for me to take a shower, feel fresh after, you know, the whole day, then wear something that you literally sweated in. I can't. Please don't do that. You know, your undies, your socks, that's something you should change very often.
Don't be a fool!
Okay, next one is my favorite one to talk about, and it's body lotions. Letting your body marinate in something which is so hydrating, which smells so good, is like the biggest treat for me. I just love picking a good product that really works for my skin, makes my skin moisturized, soft, glowy, and then it gives me like a good scent. What is better than that? So in the morning, if I take a shower, then I will definitely put something that has more perfume in it, has like a stronger scent, instead of, if I'm doing my nighttime routine, then obviously I will go with something lighter, something that doesn't have such a strong scent. I will concentrate more on products that give me moisture and makes my body very soft. Products from Victoria's Secret are always a very good choice. has shimmers in it. I like to use them in the morning, so I will be shimmery throughout the day.
What's that shiny thing?
Makes sense to put it in the morning instead of being like shimmery while you sleep. It's like a waste of shimmer if you put it in your nighttime routine. I like Victoria's Secret in general. They have very good body lotions. Then I have L'Occitane products that I absolutely adore. This one gives me such a nice memories, and I'm like done with this, as you can tell, but I love this so much. It has like a citrusy scent, and because it smells so nice, I like to combine these lotions with perfumes that has like similar notes, and it's like fun for me because I like combining fragrances. But yeah, definitely fan of L'Occitane. I like this brand so much. They make my skin so soft, literally 10 out of 10, but also the scent, it's like perfect. This is the latest lotion I have purchased, and surprise surprise, it's also L'Occitane. I'll try to remember a few more products that I have used earlier and that I really liked. Show you guys here. Next tip is choosing a right deodorant, and it's also so important because if you are very active, you want to have something that you can rely on, something good that will block bad smells, so you can feel chill throughout the day. You don't have to worry if you smell bad, you don't have to worry if you sweated too much that day, and etc. I actually have a holy grail here with me. When I discovered this deodorant, it really changed every other deodorant that I have used earlier. It's so good, it's so creamy, I smell so good whole day. I can do literally whatever and I won't smell bad. And as you can tell, I'm not normal when it comes to having such a great product. So I have the red one, I have tried the original yellow one and it was so good. Then I have light pink one, I have refills, as you can tell, 2 of them. Whenever this product is on sale, I buy as much as I can. I have tried one other as well, this brand called Wild. I have bought this because I have a similar dog to this, like sausage one. A very cute case, but I don't really use this deodorant. This one is also good because it has natural ingredients in it. Okay, let's go back to the clothes again. For example, if you are clean, you have showered, you have put a very good deodorant, very good perfume, you're smelling 10 out of 10 and somehow in like 2 hours you're very sweaty and you don't smell like the best, you should consider looking at the composition of the clothes you're wearing. When it comes to clothes, you should definitely choose something that's more breathable, it's lighter on your skin. If you know you will spend more time in those clothes, instead of choosing like polyester, nylon type of materials, choose 100% cotton or linen, silk, or for example, I will test how my skin will react to certain clothes because I had t-shirt that is 90% cotton and then 10% probably elastane or something like that. I always sweat so much in that particular t-shirt, then I know I will not wear that for extended period of time. It's important to know that natural materials are obviously better than synthetic ones. That's something to have in mind. The next one is hair. You probably didn't think this one would come because how can hair improve your scent? But it can, trust me. When my hair is greasy, I like to use products that has a really nice smell, but they are also good for styling. When I want to do a sleek bun or a sleek ponytail, then I use this product and it's so good. It's so good for styling, but also it has like a good scent. Then I use hair oils on a daily basis and I usually put them before I go to sleep, and then the next day the scent of the oil literally stays in my hair and it smells so good. I don't think the day passes without me putting something nourishing to my hair, either a serum, hair oil, some kind of treatment that will make my hair softer, hydrated, and somehow all hair oils that I have ever used smell so good. I had that kind of routine from my teenage years, and I want you to guys know that I have received so many compliments till this day on how my hair smells good. It's like insane. And also I wanted to show you the hair oil that I have used from my earliest age when I started my hair care routine. I'll show you the Kerastase ones that I'm currently using, you know, slowly switching up to instead of this line because it just makes my hair look even better. those ones are also very good when it comes to scents, so I recommend that as well. And now perfumes, and this is also my favorite part of this video. I have so many to show you, but let's start with least intense ones. Those Victoria's Secret. I like to use them so much on daily basis when I go run some errands, go to the gym, and they make you smell so good, but it's not like a strong scent. You want to smell fresh, sweet. This one is Bombshell, and this one, it's the Tease Candy Noir. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Candy Noir something. Then this is the one that I got so many compliments, and it's the Prada, this one, the original. I will probably repurchase this one because I like it as well. It has some kind of sweet note, also you smell very feminine, mature. It's a very good scent. Then the L'Interdit one, which is also almost empty, a very specific one. I'm not sure if it's like for summer or for winter, but it's also a very feminine. It's hard for me to give you a good description of this, but it is on the stronger side. Next, I have a few perfumes good for winter. Van Cleef. It's more like a floral scent. These two got me so many compliments. This is the Jean Paul one, and this is Miracle Muse from Miller Harris. And this is more like a sweet fruity scent. I like this so much, and this one smells very sexy. The last one is my favorite, and it's Coco Chanel. I don't know how to pronounce it as well, but this is my favorite one, the strongest of all those that I have showed you. I wear this in special occasions. I need to spray myself just a little bit with this. I'm not going anywhere, but you know, I need to remind myself how good this perfume is. That's all when it comes to smelling clean and how you can prolong that smell, avoid smelling bad. That's like a goal for all of us. So I hope those tips might help you, and definitely try some products that I have showed you if you struggle with bad scent, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see even more. Bye!